I was wondering why, dog hair, piles of dog hair. We're not getting vacuumed up. I mean, I guess if they're using the vacuum cleaner, it would probably suck it up, but look at our wonderful master bedroom closet. I mean, come on, man. They gotta be able to do better than this. I mean, I'm not gonna go looking too deep here, but I mean, this is just crazy. This was all over here. Just piled up. That's what our renters are seeing. You think that's bad? Look back here. Let me open up the other doors. I mean, they're just not doing it. I mean, it's just not happening. Look at this shit. There's just piles and piles of dog fur. I mean, am I supposed to come here and vacuum this up? I mean, they're the ones that vacuum. We pay them all this money. Let's see what else is back here. There's more back there. Just piles of it. It's just everywhere, man. That stuff got... All these beds are full of dog hair. Dog hair is just flying out. I mean, maybe we're not supposed to say anything. Maybe piles of dog hair is just the way it is these days. I don't really know, but there's piles of dog hair pretty much everywhere. Like even behind the couch again. It's the same old shit. We ask them not to do it, and then we show them. You show them this video, and they're like, "Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I won't do it again." I mean, look at this. I got renters coming tomorrow. Paying. This is the housekeeper's business. This is our business. These are our customers. I mean, why do we just not give a shit? I just don't get it. Is it just cool like that? I mean, you're going to tell Marlena, "Hey, Marlena, yeah, we find piles of dog hair again." And she's going to say, "Oh, I'm so sorry. I can't believe it. Oh, okay, I'll tell the housekeepers and they'll get it right." We've been doing this shit for 2 friggin' years, man. I mean, I got to walk in here and find this crap. I mean, I don't know. If a housekeeper can't do a basic duty of vacuuming, just vacuuming, or even understanding that the vacuum cleaner right here, this is how I found it. In order for the vacuum cleaner to work, you have to plug it in right there. These girls got it right here. This is what they have. So when you vacuum with when you put that thing right there and you go for a little vacuum run right here, it ain't going nowhere. That's probably why there ain't nothing in there, because they ain't sucking nothing up. In order to vacuum the floor, you have to have a little bit of knowledge of how the thing works. You have to plug this in like that. Now the suction will happen on the front of the machine. I mean, this is crazy. Crazy laziness. And the toilet seat issue that I just sat on the toilet seat and it falls off. I mean, broken toilet seat, nobody gives a shit. I don't know. This doesn't seem like something's right here to me again.